Take a look at this convertible, ready for summer. 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Obviously in 1953, Bel Air would have been the premium model in the Chevy lineup. And these convertibles have become quite collectible through the years. And this is a real deal convertible. You can tell that by the style number on it. It would be a 1067 DTX, which would be the Bel Air convertible model. This particular car is also originally a green car. This was surf green, which would have been $498 as far as the paint coat on it. And the trim would have been a dark green, light green imitation leather, which when we get around the interior, you'll be able to check that out. So still very similar colors to how this would have came from Chevrolet back in 1953. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Underneath the hood will be the Blue Flame 235 cubic inch inline 6. That is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see up and down the side of this car, very straight. Don't see any major dents, dings, or imperfections. You may have a couple little spots where it's been touched up, if you can see that show up in the pictures of the video at all. But not very many nicks or scratches on this one. Chrome, bright work, also in very nice shape. See the spotlights on both sides. All right, here's your interior where you get the light green and dark green combo. Kind of redone in a vinyl. Otherwise stock looking dash. Still retaining the look it would have had back in 1953. The top is green in color. It is in nice shape. It is a power top. Power top does work. And again, you can see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended warranty, so consult your sales associate about that if you give us a call or email. Those still pictures, you'll be able to check out the trunk. Trunk is nice and tidy. This whole car is in nice shape, nice and clean and tidy. Underneath the engine, that 235 Blue Flame has been rebuilt in the last couple years and looks as nice underneath there as the rest of this car. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. A link down below this video in the description will take you right there. We'll fire it up here shortly too so you can hear it running. We'll check out the engine bay. First of all, let's take a look at the driver's side here. As you can see, the bright work, not full of dents or pitting. Again, very nice shape, riding on those wide whites. Nice wheel covers. All right, let's check out this interior a second here. Door panels finished nicely. And again, seats not full of rips or tears, or do they really show much wear for that matter. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear that 235 cubic inch engine run. All right, I was checking before that appears all the gauges do work. The oil pressure will come up, gas gauge, battery and temperature. Make sure we're neutral here. Take a look at a little closer look at the dash here. So nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back here. A little crazy exhaust. A little bit of rumble coming out of that 235. I'm going to slip around to the front of this. Let's pop the hood and we'll check out that engine bay so you can see how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second while I open the hood, and we'll take a look at that Blue Flame inline 6. Alright, got the hood open. As you can see, it's all like new under here. That engine was rebuilt in the last couple of years. That's really how clean and tight it is. I believe that 125 would have stood for horse. Again, 235 cubic inch inline 6 blue flame. As you can see, still 6-volt system. Very smooth running engine. So there you have it, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see the still pictures on our website. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it, it'll take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And we can also assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you.